Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In the previous videos, we created the clearance for the assembly components for the button and for the blocker. And in those videos, and actually in the next ones, we will focus on creating the mechanism to work. Okay, so I will hide a little bit the casting and I will explain you how everything works. So those two parts are going into the socket. And then from this part, when the button is pressed, current will flow to the DC motor. The DC motor will power the small gear, which will rotate the big gear. And do you remember, or this mechanism looks familiar? This blade will go forth and back, and this will go from rotational to linear. Well, I will show you. So let's go back to the project. And it's the same as the crank slider mechanism. So this will be the reciprocating blade. This will be the big gear. And this will be how they will move. Perfect. So we'll do the same thing here, but we need to do some changes. I don't know why, but as you can see, those gears will not work. Anyhow, they are wrong because their teeth are not intercalating. But I don't know why it's happening this, because this is a Fusion 360 model, but errors happen for everyone. So what we'll do, we'll use this as a great chance to create our own gears. So let's get started. What I will do, I will start the sketch on top of this, and I will click on C to create a circle. And I'll go inside here, so 55, I think it's enough. Perfect. I will create here to see for the clearance how much I need to go. This is the right size. So how I will click on D. I will save it here. I will put it in the comments so I don't forget. So inner circle, diameter, and thickness. Let's see how thick is the gear. And I can see here 6.3 millimeters. Good. And now I will measure the small gear as well, but it actually doesn't matter because all I need is the number of teeth, and you'll see why. So I will pause this. I have this here, and what I will do is to go to Tools, Add-ins, and Sport Gear. I'll click Run, and I need to add here measurements. So what is my purpose when I'm using the Spur Gear tool? To have the pitch diameter as the diameter, so 55 millimeters, but I cannot modify it. So what I need to do is to modify first the number of teeth, and I counted them, and I like 60. And what I need to do is to change the module so that pitch diameter will be 55. So what I will do is just to divide 55 to 60, and the pitch will be 0.91. Let's go to 2. It's okay. Anyway, I made it smaller, so it's all right. The gear thickness will be 6.3, and the whole diameter will be 7.1. Perfect. What I need to do now is to modify the root fillet. That needs to be smaller than 0.54. So I will put here 0.5. And I will click OK, and I'm having my gear. Perfect. So let's hide this. I have my gear here. And let's put it in place. I'll go to Align. And I will align it with this one. And it's a good start. In the next video, we'll create a small gear. So see you soon.